everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today we have day 3 of Jenny's countdown to Christmas. Let's go ahead and see what we got. Before I open it, here is what number 3 looks like. Okay. Fabric. So excited. Okay, let's see. Mix and Match 42 Charms by Maywood Studios. Let me go ahead and take this out of the packaging so I can show you what we got. It says Mix and Match, so I'm guessing it's maybe a couple different designers from Maywood Studios. Let's see. Okay, nothing else on the card. Okay. I'll go ahead and try to look this up to see what designer or designers we have here in this little 42 pack of charm squares, and I'll let you know down below. These are so pretty. And if you don't know, I actually open up boxes for Monique Jacobs of Maywood Studio. Her box is called the Open Gate Quilts box. It's a subscription box every month. It's super cute. If you like kind of more traditional fabrics and traditional piecing, definitely check out my videos. All right, that's it for the fabric. Okay, and I did check, and this fabric does not go with that snow globe quilt pattern that we got, so maybe we're gonna see a pattern here in the next couple boxes that go with this fabric. Stay tuned. I'll see you tomorrow for day number 4.